We are now heading to the Big 4 East Beach Holiday Park for our camping trip at Kiama.
Take the South Kiama Drive exit, then turn left onto South Kiama Drive.
Yeah, so this is where we will be camping. Hello, yeah, we have just checked in and see what we got. Yeah, we already got our map. Yeah, and then we are
our campsite.
Yeah, campsite. We are heading to C15, C11 to 16. Oh, it's easy to find. So here it is, our campground number C15. Firstly, we need to set up our tent first. And we are surrounded by cabins. Nice place. Where you can dry your clothes. This holiday park is massive. Okay, these are some of the campsite with ensuite. We are all set up for the night. We are going to put up 2 nights here at the holiday park, Big 4 Holiday Park, Kiama. Oh, see what I found here. It's a huge not jumping castle, it's a jumping pillow. Adult can have fun too. Okay, let's take a look at the swimming pool. Here's the Sunny's Aqua Adventure Park. Here we are in the camp kitchen preparing our lunch. We are making sandwiches. After lunch, we went to chill out at the East Beach. This is what we are going to have for dinner tonight. Let's pour in the hot water. The noodle should be ready now. Yeah, take a look. How is it? Instant noodle. All was calm until 9 p.m. See, the wind gust is strong. Glad that our tent survived.